Have you ever wondered what's the easiest way to fill a duvet cover? First, begin with turning the duvet cover inside out. The easiest way to do this is to place your hands through the opening at the bottom of the duvet, grab the top two corners and pull the corners back through the opening, turning the duvet inside out. Next, place both your hands back into the top corners and grab the corresponding corners of the duvet inner, making sure the corners match up. Give yourself a bit of space and flip the cover over top of the inner. Make sure you keep hold of the top and shake the cover down. Next, place the duvet cover back onto the bed and adjust the cover as needed. Secure the inner by closing it at the bottom with the buttons. And tidy the cover on the bed. Finally, style with your favourite cushions and throw for a completed look. This is the perfect way to add layers of colour and texture to your bed setting and can add a fresh and contemporary feel to your bedroom.